Huge tractors that weigh more than 20 tons and have more than 600 horsepower, which are used to tow heavy loads in different types of agricultural work. These are the 10 biggest and powerful tractors in the world. Number 10. Deutz Fahr 9340. It is a highly technological tractor which has been manufactured in Germany. It measures 17 feet or 5.2 meters in length and weighs 12 tons. It has an engine with 336 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 37 miles or 60 kilometers per hour. It is designed to improve operating efficiency and facilitate maintenance as well as save fuel and reduce emissions. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 158 gallons or 600 liters and is equipped with modern systems for precision agriculture. Its great traction force allows it to transport large loads on any type of terrain. Number 9. Challenger 1050. It is a heavy-duty tractor that has been manufactured in the United States. It measures 20 feet or 6.1 meters in length and weighs 23 tons. It is designed to be strong and durable. It has a 211-gallon or 800-liter fuel tank. It can handle heavy work in difficult conditions while minimizing fuel consumption. It has an engine with 517 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 31 miles or 50 kilometers per hour. Its traction system maximizes engine power at low speeds, allowing you to pull heavy tools with great maneuverability. Number 8. Massey Ferguson MF 8700. It's a compact and maneuverable tractor that has been manufactured in the United States. It measures 20.3 feet or 6.2 meters in length and weighs 10.8 tons. It can carry heavy loads and is designed to increase productivity and efficiency. It has a new generation engine with 405 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 31 miles or 50 kilometers per hour. It has a 166-gallon or 630-liter fuel tank and can carry heavy loads easily. It has different types of single and double tires and counterweights that provide maximum traction with reduced consumption. Number 7. Fendt 1050 Vario. It is a tractor with high load capacity that has been manufactured in Germany. It measures 21 feet or 6.4 meters and weighs 14 tons. It is designed to provide permanent power in demanding applications with minimal fuel consumption. It has an engine with 517 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 37 miles or 60 kilometers per hour. It has a 211-gallon or 800-liter fuel tank, and its variable traction system gives you adequate grip in any situation. It has software that increases operational efficiency and performs high-speed data analysis. Number 6. Challenger MT875E. It was the world's first rubber track farm tractor and was manufactured in the United States. It measures 22 feet or 6.7 meters in length and has a weight of 19.3 tons. It has an engine with 600 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 25 miles or 40 kilometers per hour. It provides higher traction performance compared to traditional four-wheel tractors. Its cabin has been designed to make the operator's work more comfortable, and its fuel tank has a capacity of 330 gallons or 1,250 liters. Number 5. Kierovets K742. It is a high-performance tractor which has been manufactured in Russia. It measures 24 feet or 7.3 meters in length and has a weight of 18.7 tons. It has an engine with 420 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 25 miles or 40 kilometers per hour. It's been designed for precision agriculture and provides high productivity and efficiency. It can work intensively for long periods, maintaining a low maintenance cost. It has a fuel tank with 211 gallons or 800 liters of capacity, and it has a soundproof cabin with different equipment. Number 4. Classic Xerion 5000. It is a highly efficient tractor that has been manufactured in Germany. It travels on 4 tracks of the same size to be able to work in pressure-sensitive soils. It is 25 feet or 7.6 meters long and weighs 17 tons. It has an engine with 509 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 31 miles or 50 kilometers per hour. It uses configurable distributed counterweights of up to 6.8 tons in total to improve its effectiveness. It has a comfortable cabin equipped with a touchscreen, a fuel tank with 245 gallons or 930 liters of capacity. Its high performance and great load capacity make it ideal for multiple uses. Number 3. John Deere 9620RX. It is a highly productive new tractor that has been manufactured in the United States. It travels on 4 tracks that improve the turns and the trajectory in addition to reducing the compaction of the soil. It is designed to increase productivity while lowering operating costs. It measures 25 feet or 7.6 meters and weighs 24.9 tons. It has an engine with 670 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 25 miles or 40 kilometers per hour. It has a spacious cabin that stands out for being comfortable and silent and has a fuel tank with 400 gallons or 1,500 liters of capacity. Number 2. New Holland T9 700. It is a high-performance tractor that has been manufactured in the United States. It measures 25 feet or 7.6 meters in length and weighs 28 tons. It has an engine with 682 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 19 miles or 31 kilometers per hour. It has been designed for large agricultural companies that need powerful and reliable machinery to maximize their productivity. It has a comfortable cabin which is designed for working long hours. It has a fuel tank with 306 gallons or 1,160 liters of capacity, and its tracks allow it to improve traction and steering angle. Number 1. Case IH Quadtrac 620. It is a large, high-powered tractor that has been manufactured in the United States. It measures 25 feet or 7.6 meters in length, weighs 24 tons, and has a fuel tank with 500 gallons or 1,900 liters of capacity. It has an engine with 692 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 25 miles or 40 kilometers per hour. It travels on tracks with independent transmission, which provide greater traction and less compaction of the soil. In recent years, it has achieved the best results in different strength tests, becoming the most powerful tractor in the world. Leave your comment saying if you like this topic, or say what you would like to see in a future video. If you like this channel, leave a like, share, and subscribe.